Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here now just to add, to remove some icons, or just to change the position of these icons, you should click here on the left down corner on the edit icon, and here you can see all of our available and visible icons, and here we got the down section with this invisible icons, and now we can add, for example, some of these icons or just all of them. So just hold for a while and drag it here to this up section, for example also the dark theme, and we can add here more, the ultra power saving mode for example, and when we'll go back, so here we can see the changes. So by this way we can just save our actions here. Just to remove some icons from the notification panel, just hold by the same way, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this down section by this way. For example the hotspot, hold for one okay, once again the hotspot, where is the hotspot? It's here, so we'll just delete it. So by this way we can delete all of them if you want. Just to go to save the changes, go back by the same way, you can see that we just successfully remove some icons from here, and to change the positions, hold for a while the icon and drag it by this way here. So as can you see, that's really simple, and just we'll go back, and now you can see also this our changes on the notification panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.